Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Demiboy means? Let's explore. Demiboy is a gender identity that describes someone who partially, but not fully, identifies as male. A demiboy might feel a strong connection to being male, but also experience aspects of another gender or feel that their gender identity is not fully aligned with traditional masculinity. This identity is part of the broader non-binary spectrum, where individuals may not fit entirely into the category of male or female. Demiboy allows for a nuanced understanding of gender, acknowledging that one's experience of being male can be partial or combined with other gender elements. In essence, being a demiboy is about recognizing a partial connection to maleness, while also acknowledging other aspects of gender identity. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.